Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add chatbot on WhatsApp. So for this, I am here on vetty.io. Here you need to click on Dashboard and a new tab will open. Now you need to sign in. If you are new, then click on Sign Up. So click on Chatbots in order to create a chatbot. Now here you need to click on Add Chatbot in the right side, and then you have different templates. You can choose the one or you can start from scratch. So we will go with start from scratch. So you need to name your chatbot here. Once you name it, then click on add, and this interface open. Now here in the left side you will find different templates like to send a message, ask a question, or set a condition, and then we also have operations in next. So we will go with a simple one, which is to send a message. So click on send a message here. Now click on message in order to create a message. So you can write your message here like, hi, we want you to do a free course with us. And once you're done, then you can edit your chat from here. Like, we want to make it bold, then you can make it bold from here. Then if you want to add image to your message, then click on image and now click on upload image, and you can choose the image from here and upload it. Then we have this video option, audio option, and documents. In the same way, you can upload all the documents here. Then we have this dot here. So we want to add a connection. So scroll down and we want to add a product here, or you can add a list of your courses here. Let's add a list. Here we have it. Click on list, and here you can edit it and add your courses name too. Once you're done with your chatbot creation, then click on Save Chatbot. Now here we need to sign up now because saving chatbot is not available in the demo mode. So you need to get a paid account of vetty.io. So here we have few paid plans. First one is standard, which is for $40 per month and you can access for 5 users. Then we have the pro one, which is for $70 and also for 5 users, and then we have enterprise one, which is for 10 users, and you can customize it according to your preferences and needs. In this way you can create chatbot on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.